Let's talk about seating positions in a Renault 16. So someone commented on the video I did about the Renault 16 saying it would be really good to see how all the seats go. And I also think that would be really good. So we couldn't do that without an original brochure. So it says a totally new standard in seating, seat adjustment and interior versatility. It's definitely got that. Look hard at the ultra soft seats and notice the double thickness. I hadn't noticed that. Realise what fantastic standards of luxury they must give. Soft, resilient upholstery in luxury grained leather cloth with thick polyurethane foam cushions and armrest front and rear in the Renault 16 Grand Luxe. This is a Grand Luxe. So there's 6 seating positions, which is full cargo luggage position, which is this. Holiday luggage position, extra bulky luggage space, playpen position, rally resting position, and full bed position. Nice. And here's what the brochure says. So that's the full cargo, that's as it is now. Holiday luggage position. Let's try that one first. I did show that on the video that I did, but I'm going to show you it better now. Let's go holiday position. To do that, you've got to open passenger door on the back. Then there's many ways you can do this. What I'm going to say is pull the bottom, put your hand on the back, lift it up, roll it forwards. There you go. You've got an extra couple of inches of room in the rear. Next position, extra bulky luggage position. So to do the extra bulky luggage position, pull that up, pull this forwards, like that, pull this up. These canvas straps, which are wrapped up in here, come out. Hopefully these straps are in one piece. Struggling here. Pull these canvas straps out from under the seat. That goes up there. Pull this canvas strap out. That goes up. Whoosh. There. And then you get this. You've got like a through load into the boot. How good is that? That is a very, very, very cool feature that, like, most new cars don't have stuff like that. Renault nailed it. Next up is this, which is called the Playpen Position. I'm not going to lie, apart from its name, I don't think there's anything special about this. I think it's just the seats reclined all the way back, but let's do it. I said reclined, but that wasn't what I meant. What I meant was slid all the way back. So, this is the Playpen Position. And I'm very much assuming the Playpen Position is meant for having better access to your passengers. Or giving your passengers better access to you. Right, what's next? Next up is this, the rally resting position. The rally resting position uses these metal bars down here to support the backrest. There you go. And I can see out the windscreen. This is not bad. I have slept in travel lodges that are worse than this. This is incredible. Fondling. You could do some fondling here. So that is the semi-rally rest position, because I've only done one side. I mean, like, what were Renault thinking? Right, the alternative position now is full bed position. I've never put this in full bed position, but I'm about to. So the process for this, pull this forwards, pull those levers back up and out the way, or those little like support arms. That goes back there. I'm putting a lot of trust in this. This is the full bed position. Yeah, actually not that bad, you know. I could, genuinely, with a blanket, I could sleep in here. I love Renault.